Good morning, this is Rick with your aftermarket update for Halloween, October 31st, 2013. Now what happened here is the market opened up. Seemed like it was a little bit antsy over here. They decided to shoot the market up here. There was news at 8:45 Central Standard Time. There was really no way to get in to the trade long. If a setup will happen before the news, we'll get in, but in this case the news came out. There was no way to get in the trade. They hit our target up here at 1761. And I said that we have to see what happens. We might have another opportunity to still go long, depending on what happened. The market came down here, and nothing set up for an additional long. They came all the way back down here. At that point, I kind of knew they were going for my target down here at 1751, but we had no setup to get in. There was more of an advanced trade here by my blue dot that some of the members in our DNA mentoring room could have taken that trade. But that would have worked, and then you could have taken it again where we actually took it. But I just felt that was a little bit aggressive at the time, given what happened, given the volatility. So we waited and we took this trade here. And this was also another setup that we were short at 1754.50 was the price, and the market came down here. I said take profits along the way. The first batch of contracts I took off was 1753, point and a half. The market came back up and then came back down here. I said I was going to put a target to have most of my stuff off at 1751 quarter. I got filled there when the market came down here. I had one contract left at that point, and I said that I wanted to see what would happen. Once they started buying it again, I got out up here on my last one. But most of them were off at a point and a half and then 3 points. And that was a good trade. Market then came back up, and I said that given what happened and given the fact that we had another setup coming, that we would want to try to get long at 1754 quarter right here, 1754.50. When the market closed on this candle up here, I said you could even take it as high as 1754.75, 55 area right in here, and that we were going to try to get up. And it was crucial that they got through right here, which they did. Once the market closed up here on this candle, I said that I was putting my target at 1759 quarter. That would give me 5 points in the trade, and we should have no problem hitting that target. After that point, the room was almost closed. It was going to be about 15 minutes or so before lunch. I said that if you want to hold the trade, the market may go higher. They want to go up to 60.50, and if they keep going up as high as 65 to 67. But given this is really all they need to do for right now, and I said that would be a good place to get out where I got out. If you want to try to hold something, you could certainly do that, but we might have some wiggles and waggles in here. Once the market did this in this area here, there's a couple things I saw. I just basically said I recommend getting completely out of the trade, and anyway, the room was closing, and so the market's not going so far at this point, but it was still the right thing to do would be to get out at that point. So 5 points there, let's call it about 2 points here, 2 to 3 points there, depending on how you manage the contracts. And great day, guys. Again, happy Halloween, and we'll see you tomorrow.